Hello developers, welcome back to our another WordPress tutorial. My name is Tony, Artificial Intelligence at TechShop Web Solution, and today in this video I show you how you can make a Elementor section clickable. Usually Elementor didn't have default option to add link in a section, but sometimes we need to add a link in large area or a section in our website. This trick help you to solve the problem. So let's start the video. Before we start, I want to say please like the video and subscribe our channel for more WordPress related videos. First go to your WordPress dashboard and find plugin section. Now click on Add New to add a plugin. Type here Make Column Clickable Elementor. Now you see this plugin, click on the Install button. And now active the plugin. First step done here. Open the page in Elementor where you want to add link. Now click the section where you want to add link. In the sidebar you see a link option. Add the link here and click on Update. Now the section is clickable. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions then comment below and please like the video and subscribe our channel. Also if you looking for web developer then check our official website. Thank you. See you in another video.